In this video, I'll show you how to play Pokémon TCG Pocket on your PC. Let's jump straight into it. To do this, you'll need an Android emulator called LD Player, which allows you to play Android games on your PC. I've left a link in the video description below. Clicking the link will take you to a page where you'll see an option to play Pokémon TCG Pocket on PC. Click the button to start the download. Once downloaded, open the file to begin the installation. Click the yellow Install button and it will start installing LD Player on your PC. After installation, LD Player will open. Next, click the Install button for Pokémon TCG Pocket inside LD Player. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, click the blue Install button and the game will start installing. Once it's done, click the blue Play button to launch Pokémon TCG Pocket. The game will load in LD Player, and it might take a few seconds on the first load. After it loads, you can start the game, and if it's your first time, set up your country, region, and age. And there you have it. The game runs smoothly, and you can play using your mouse or even a gamepad if you prefer. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.